Getting ready for your driving test can feel like a mix of excitement and a few butterflies in your stomach. You have practiced your maneuvers and know the rules of the road. But what about those first few moments, even before you start driving? Do you know what to check to make sure you are totally prepared? Pre-drive checks are a vital series of quick, systematic inspections you perform on your vehicle before you even start the engine. They ensure your car is safe and ready for the road test, and they are a crucial part of the driving test itself. Think of them as your car's personal safety briefing. The reason these checks are so important is simple: safety and responsibility. Your examiner wants to see that you understand the basic operational readiness of your vehicle. Performing these checks demonstrates that you are a responsible driver who actively looks for potential issues, prioritizing safety for yourself and others. Missing these checks or performing them incorrectly can unfortunately lead to an immediate test failure, even before you leave the parking lot. So, how do you do them? Your pre-drive checks begin with a quick walk around the vehicle. You will visually check your tires for proper inflation, look for any fluid leaks under the car, and ensure all your lights are clean and working, including brake lights and turn signals. Once inside, start with adjusting your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility. Then, make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. Before you start the engine, confirm the parking brake is engaged, and gently press the brake pedal to ensure it feels firm. After starting the engine, check your dashboard warning lights to make sure none remains illuminated. You will also quickly test your horn, windshield wipers, and defroster. Mastering these checks not only helps you pass your driving test with confidence, but it also instills excellent habits for lifelong safe driving. Many professional drivers refer to these as their daily vehicle safety checks or control checks, integrating them into every drive. It is a fundamental skill that goes beyond just passing a test. It is about being a confident and competent driver every single day. Diligently performing pre-drive checks shows maturity and a readiness for the road. By making these quick steps a routine, you are setting yourself up for a smoother, safer experience behind the wheel, both on your test day and for every adventure to come.